There is not a piece of land Black people have not dwelt, not only concentrated on the continent and these United States, but we are a transnational people, a multiplicity of colors and cultures, of textures and tongues. The women in my family dared to marry outside of their races and religions, their motherlands and tongues. I am Caribbean and African, my mother Guyanese, father Tanzanian, and my father's mother is Punjabi Indian. My bibi, which means grandma in Swahili, was born and raised in Zanzibar, Tanzania. As an Indian in Africa, she is a part of the diaspora of the Indian Ocean, and because of her, so is the rest of my family. So what does this inheritance mean for me as a Black woman in the world? As a dancer, I know the body is a carrier of culture, an archive of embodied knowledge. What answers lie in exploring the life of my bibi?
What kind of dance did you do? You said you danced growing up.
As a little girl, yeah.
What kind did you do?
I was taken in plays. I used to dance as an elf, as a fairy, and I had that Indian thing in me. So my sister Sneh also encouraged me in certain, certain actions. I just had that. Of all the sisters, I was the only one. That's me.
I remember you were telling me about my name, like how you picked my name.
Your name? You see, we lived in Russia, in the USSR at the time. That was somewhere 1972 to 73, we were there for 2 years. And names like Katya, Nadia, they rang a bell. Sounded nice. And I just like the name. I don't know if there's a meaning.
And did you say it's a name in Hindi?
In Hindi, they don't say Nadi, Nadia. They say Nadia. The way you pronounce it, one would say, Nadia, can you come here, please? And not say Nadia, N-A-D-Y-A. It sounds sweet in Hindi. It's gentle, Nadia. Nadia. Much more. And Asha, the meaning of Asha is hope.
I thought Nadia also means hope.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't. But if it does, thumbs up. I like it.
She is a wild flower. Flower child, wild child, a rolling stone. She does not have one place she calls home. Her world has no borders. Her native land is Pangaea. She crosses continents and oceans, converses in multiple tongues, blood, both brown and black, color and texture of the earth. Global nomad, transnational spirit, cross-cultural soul. Blood, born, raised. Each a different place. What is race anyway? If I live by the one-drop rule and decide to change the dominant trait, what box on the census would I choose? If you were blind, would you still call me Black?